Hi guys, we'll be discussing about the natural cure for diabetes or sugar in this video under health problems and natural remedies. Okay, actually, diabetes is a lifestyle disease. Okay, this is what we follow. List of concoctions or kashaya first, diet plan with millets, exercise, and what to avoid means what foods to avoid. Okay, let's see the concoctions first. Okay, first one is Indian mallow leaves. Okay, take 4 to 5 of this size. Okay, to make concoction. Second one, ivy gourd plant leaves. These are the leaves, right? This is ivy gourd and these are the leaves. Take four leaves of ivy gourd. Next one is jamun tree leaves. If the leaf is this much big, you can take four or five. Okay. Next is fenugreek leaves. You have to take at least 10 to 15 depending upon the size. Okay, of fenugreek leaves to make concoction. Next one is heart shaped moonseed, sorry, moon seed leaves. Heart shaped moon seed leaves. These are the leaves. You have to take at least 5. Okay, coriander leaves, again you have to take 15 to 20 of coriander leaves. Okay, because the leaf size is very small. Okay, next is mint leaves. Here you have to take 12. Okay, drumstick, the leaf size is very small, you have to take at least 25. Okay, to make concoction. Okay, so this is the plan. First week you will take Indian mallow, second week ivy gourd leaves, third week jamun tree leaves, fourth week fenugreek leaves, fifth week heart shaped moonseed leaves, sixth week coriander leaves, seventh week mint leaves, eighth week drumstick leaves. You will make concoction. At the end of the video, it will be shown how to make concoction. Okay, using coriander leaves. Okay, you have to follow the same method for each and every leaf. There is important point here, important note. If you don't find any one or two of the above, you can still continue with the remaining concoctions. Okay, and once 8 weeks are completed, you have to repeat this sequence. Okay, till you get recovered from the disease. And another important thing is you have to take this concoction on empty stomach. Okay, preferably in the morning, and there should be at least 45 minutes to 1 hour gap should needed between concoction and the next meal. Okay, if you have plenty of time, take 1 hour gap, otherwise 45 minutes. Okay, next you have to eat only millets. Okay, till the recovery. Foxtail millets for 2 days. Okay, if you are taking 2 meals, do the that means take cook only foxtail millets for these 2 meals. If you are taking 3 meals, then cook foxtail millets only for the three meals. Okay, for 2 days. Brown top for 2 days. Little 2 days. Kodo 2 days. Barnyard millet 2 days. Okay, so all these 5 millets you have to take 2 days each, and this is a 10-day schedule. You have to repeat the sequence till you get recovered from the disease. Okay, no rice, no bread, no wheat products, no maida products. Okay, refined meat, and use only cold pressed oils, not refined oils. Okay, how to cook millets? There are two methods: cooking it like a rice, or making millet porridge. Okay, cooking millets like rice. Add 3 glasses of water for 1 glass of millet. Soak it for 8 hours, 7 to 8 hours. Cook it either on open top or in a pressure cooker. Okay, but if you have time, avoid pressure cooking. Okay, making millet porridge. First, use either granulated millets or whole millets. Granulated means small pieces, right? Add 6 to 8 glasses of water for 1 glass of millet. Soak it for 8 hours. Cook it on a open top vessel. Okay, once it is cooked, let it become cool by opening the lid. Tie the top using a cotton cloth once it is cooled down. Okay, keep it aside for 8 to 10 hours and then consume it. Okay, with any curry. Okay, your wish. Important point is exercise. You need to walk for at least 1 hour in a day, that is minimum, and increase your walking time slowly day by day. Okay. Foods to avoid: milk and all dairy products you have to avoid, rice and wheat products also you have to avoid, refined oils, sugar, jaggery. If you want to consume palm jaggery, yes, you can consume palm jaggery, dates, or honey. Okay, these can be taken. Okay, wheat powder and refined wheat powder. Okay, palm jaggery in small quantities only, depending upon your sugar level. Okay, once the sugar level is decreasing, then you can have. Okay, and honey also either half spoon or 1 full spoon, depending upon your sugar level. Tea, coffee you have to completely avoid. All bakery products, all polished millets and refined millets. Okay, non-vegetarian food, cool drinks, pizzas, burgers, pastas, noodles, all canned foods, all ready-made foods, all ready to eat foods. Okay. Next we will be looking at how to make concoction or kashai. Okay, coriander leaves concoction. Okay, first we have to take coriander leaves. These many are sufficient. Okay, and in the boiling water you have to add coriander leaves. Okay, they are actually cleaned using running water. It's better to use running water alone. Okay, it has to be boiled in a low flame for about 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, once it get boiled, you have to keep the top closed. Okay, and wait for 3 to 4 minutes. Once the boiling is over, we have to wait for 3 to 4 minutes. See, this is filter. By using that filter, you have to filter it. That is waste, that is not at all useful. This is how you will get it. Okay, this color you will get. Okay, you have to sip it. Okay, you shouldn't be consuming whole thing at a time. You have to sip it drop by drop using a spoon. Okay, thank you.